Hello everybody, what is good? For all my returning subscribers, thank you guys so very much for returning. Thanks for returning, you guys. Y'all make my day. Let me just say, when y'all comment, like, that's everything. You literally make my day. I want y'all to know that. For anyone who hasn't subscribed, I don't know why you haven't subscribed. Ladies, gentlemen, down in the comment section, tell them why they should subscribe to my channel. Just let them know. But if you are new and would like to join my channel, please smash that subscribe button. Turn on your post notifications to all so you don't miss out on any of the videos that I upload. In today's video, we have something super exciting. Oh, I am gonna bring back the sketch art. I used to do like sketch pads, sketch art back when I was in like elementary school, probably even middle school. I thought it was really cool, something fun, something different. And I got the inspiration from my girl Patty because she did a set of nails and she did the same kind of concept. Flash a picture, and she is on Instagram if you guys would like to follow her. So all you need for this video, first thing being your nails. These are going to be press-on nails. These Maximum Square by Enail Couture actually work really well for press-ons because they're nice and flat. Once you have your nails sized from one side wall to the other, make sure everything is prepped and ready. With press-ons, you don't really have to do a whole lot. Just etch the surface shine. Go ahead and buff off your surface shine. So for press-on nails, you really don't have to do a whole lot of prep. Just etch the shine off of your natural nail plate. Use nail glue, use nail tabs, whatever you want to do. They can last for a few weeks. I have had press-on nails last me for weeks. Buff off the surface shine. If you're going to be leaving these nails on, I'm not going to worry about it because we're not going to be actually leaving them on. This is just for video purposes. You're going to get a really nice black gel polish. The one that I like to use is by Enail Couture. This is his black gel polish right here, 002. So what you're going to do is you're going to take that black and you're just going to go ahead and you are going to put a coat of that on all of the nails. You always want to make sure when you're putting gel polish on that you put it on in very thin coats, because if you don't, you're going to get wrinkling and creasing. I've already got my right hand done, but boy, does this bring back the childhood days. I can't wait till my grandson gets a little bit older so then him and I can do these together. Not the nails, y'all. The scratch pads. I don't think GJ is gonna want to do nails with me. Oh goodness. Hey, if he does, that'd be great. Hey, why not? Why not? This is 2022. After your first coat of gel polish is on, go ahead and do a 60-second cure. Alrighty, after they've been cured, let's go ahead and take that matte top coat. Oh shit. No, Jamie, that is not what you do next. All right, we're gonna go in with another coat of the black. After you have your second coat of gel polish, let's go ahead and do a cure on that. They've been fully cured. Let's go ahead and go in with our matte top coat. I'm gonna use my Madam Glam Velvet Matte. You're just gonna wanna put one coat of that on. I'm done. All right, after your matte has been applied, go ahead and give that a 60-second cure. If you have made it this far, congratulations if you have made it this far. This is going to be a giveaway that you will not know about unless you watch this video. And I'm gonna do this more often to see who watches my videos. You will win. This is a brand new mini stamper, two-sided, with scraper. You're also going to get the Madam Glam miniature LED UV LED. The miniature UV LED light. You're gonna get the Madam Glam gold and silver holographic foils with the Madam Glam miniature foil glue. And last but not least, these are all miniature gel polishes by Madam Glam. And the pot is a Soak Off Builder Gel in clear. You know, if you've never tried Madam Glam and you want to try them, these all came out of my advent calendar. I want you to say enter me. Again, let me know where you're from. That's it. Pretty simple. This is going to be US only this time because it is a lot of gel polish. Sorry, international ladies. I still love you guys. And I will have a secret international giveaway as well very soon. Matte top coat is completely cured. And I want to show you the nails I did real quick. Scratch art nails. All right, so now I'm gonna show you how I got that look. It was so simple. Don't have to stay in like a pattern like I did. See how it goes from like red to orange to yellow. Now, if you want it to look like a scratch art, you're gonna want to do that. Just like on these sheets, you want to kind of stay in that same color coordination. Okay, most of the sheets are already in the colored combination for you. Grab some scratches. You're gonna lay it down. Make sure all of the air bubbles are out of that, because if you don't, I've already made this mistake. If you don't press all that out when you go to mat these nails, you're going to like really see the sticker. I'm only going to do one of these with you guys because it's going to take forever for me to do. Right there. See that? See how it's kind of going into a color pattern? And then that's like purple. We're going to put that right here. Make sure you press it in real good. All right, and then it's got the green here, so that'll be down below. Okay, and then over here on this side, it's gonna go into this other type of green. Actually, this one's got two different greens. It's got the one that we've got down there, and you kind of want to put that close to that, if that makes any sense, and then press that down. Okay, and then we have it. Make sure they're all pressed down very, very good. It's kind of the pattern you want to kind of stay in the best you can. All right, guys, I have all of the stickers applied, and do you see how there's not a whole lot of space in between the black? Like, I've got almost every space covered with sticker. Take your matte top coat again, and you're gonna seal those in really good. Go right over the top of it with a matte top coat. Cap your free edge. And go ahead and give it a full 60-second cure. Oh, y'all, I'm excited to show you these nails. I'm gonna add my cuticle oil really quickly. I just want to say thank you, Patty, for the inspiration. The freaking sketch art nails, y'all. What do you think? What do you think? All right, guys, so don't forget, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with a friend, comment down below, and let me know your thoughts and opinions on this design. Would you guys rock these? Would you guys wear these? Let me know in the comment section down below. Sending you guys lots of love and light, and I will see y'all in the next one.